In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own wood cookie bat. This is perfect for Halloween or for any part of your nature studies. For this activity you will need a log for your wood cookie, you'll need some gloves for the tools, a brace and bit, a bow saw, 2 pipe cleaners of the same colour, 1 pipe cleaner of another colour and a pen of your choice. The first step to making our leaf bats is to cut a wood cookie. So what we're going to do is take the safety cover off our saw, making sure we have our gloves on first. We're going to hold on, we're going to pull back once, twice and 3 times in the same spot, and what this will do, it creates a groove so that the saw doesn't wobble out. We don't want any bouncing saws. We're then going to go forwards and back until we go all the way through. Going to move it across. Once you get almost close to the end, it's really important that you don't tip your head down to have a look or put your hand underneath to catch it, as this will put you in the way of the saw. Now our wood cookie is done, we're going to put the cover back on, grab our wood cookie and head over to drilling. The next step to making our bat wood cookies is to drill. So today we are using a brace and bit, and all you have to do for this is press your palm on the top and spin the handle around. They usually prefer to go clockwise, and what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the top of our wood cookie about 1 inch in so that it doesn't crack, and we're going to start to drill a hole, and this hole is going to be for the hook to hang on top. And then we'll do 2 more either side for our wings. So we're going to keep spinning. And the more pressure you put on the top, the faster it'll go. I always find this part really fun. When your wood cookie starts to spin like this, it's time to grab a grown-up to hold on. You're going to spin, spin, spin. And it's time to check if it's gone through. As you can see, our wood cookie has gone through. It's time to twist it out. And this part you'll need to make sure a grown-up does for you. And we have our first hole. Now that we have our hole for the hook, it's time to drill a hole either side for our wings. So to do this, I'm going to place it flat again, put the drill on top, about 1 inch in, press down and spin. And now for our third hole for our second wing, again 1 inch from the outside, I'm going to give it a spin. And now that we're no longer using the tools, we can take off our gloves. And now for the creative part. So we're going to start with whatever colour pipe cleaner you want to go through the hot top. We're going to press it through and thread. And the best way to tie these together is to fold them on top of each other and twist. We're going to twist it all the way around so there's no spiky bits, and do the same with the other side. And this is how we're going to hang up our bat wood cookie. The next part is the wings. So for this I'm choosing to use black pipe cleaners, but you can use whatever colour you want. We're going to start off the same by threading it through and tying it on, but for the wings there's a little bit of an extra step which I'm about to show you, just to make them look even cooler. So at the moment you'll see our wing kind of just looks like a bumblebee wing, which isn't very interesting. So what we are going to do is to fold them to make little triangles or zigzags, and this will make them look a little bit more like a bat wing. Try and make that a bit pointy, like this. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. Thread through and twist off. And now bend the pipe cleaners into the shape of wings. And now the pipe cleaners are done, we're going to move on to drawing a face. Now it's time for the last step, which is giving our bats a face. I'm using purple to fit my theme. You're going to start off with some eyes. You can draw these eyes however you'd like. A little nose. We're going to give him a mouth. I'm going to give him some fangs, but if you wanted a happy face or an angry face, you can do whatever you would like. And your little bat is complete.